Hi, and welcome to the video. If you're new here, welcome. I hope we can earn your subscription today. It's been a while since I've done a Duo 2 video. I try to do these when I have something that can help the community, and I have something. Maybe I should start doing some opinion-based stuff as well. However, this concerns updating a Microsoft Surface Slim Pen 2 using only a Microsoft Surface Duo 2, something I was unaware of until this Reddit thread. Okay, so I was clearly wrong on the requirement of a Surface device, meaning a Surface laptop, Surface Pro, etc., to update the Microsoft Surface Slim Pen 2. That was a previous requirement. And in trying to help Fan ISP, I mentioned that. Both Fan ISP and Invention told me that an update has occurred that will allow the Surface Duo 2 to update the Slim Pen 2. So I took my Slim Pen 2 back over to the Surface Duo 2. I linked it with Bluetooth just in case that was required. Since I had not updated my Slim Pen 2 in a while, I grabbed it and gave it a shot, and sure enough, I can update. So here is how you do that. I will use 2 fingers to swipe down to go to the quick settings, and then I will go to the settings, and then we'll go to connected devices. Then we'll scroll down to Surface Pen. You will see Surface Pen with the pen icon to the left. What I want you to do now is then down at the bottom under Pen Information, you'll see Surface Slim Pen 2 Update Available. Select that. So as you can see here, you get a little information on your pen, and then it advises you to remove your Surface Slim Pen 2 from your charger to install the update. Then you can continue to use it while the update is being installed. So let's do that. How about that time travel? We're 10 minutes in the future now. And as you can see here, there's my pen has been updated. All right, I hope you found that useful. If you did, thumbs up, share, likes, all that kind of good stuff, comments, tell me what you think, and most of all, thanks for watching.